So much work. Posting your videos to YouTube and having to come up with your title, description, plus remembering to add keywords and links in your description, it can feel overwhelming. Don't let that stop you. You can save time posting your videos to YouTube by creating global settings that pre-populate into your YouTube post. Once you're logged into YouTube, click on your logo in the upper right corner to open the drop-down menu. Choose Settings, then Channel Settings and Features. Choose your country of residence and add your keywords to add SEO that will apply to your entire channel. Make sure to use commas in between those keywords. Under Advanced Settings, you can globally choose your audience. Chances are high your content isn't targeted to kids, but you can always set this on a video-by-video basis. Under Feature Eligibility, make sure these features are enabled. You definitely want to be able to create playlists and use custom thumbnails. If they are disabled, click on the arrow to show what requirements are needed to get these features. Now we'll create upload defaults that will apply to all of your videos going forward. Click on Upload Defaults. Choose Basic Info. Skip the title, just leave it blank. In the description box, add language and links that you want in every video. Here we have our links to our Idea Kit page, our blog, and where to find our company page on LinkedIn. Add Facebook, Twitter, any of your social media links here as well. You can also add your boilerplate disclaimer language. Choose your default visibility. I like unlisted so I can proof the video one more time before sharing it with the world. Then add the standard tags that apply to 99% of your videos. You can always add specific tags when you upload your video. Searching for keywords, research the hashtag for your services, think about how your audience might be searching for you, and scope out the competition. One last step and you're done. Under Advanced Settings, pick your license, category, language, and most importantly, disable the comments. The next time you post, half your work is already done. Check out Idea Kit for easy, ongoing video marketing solutions.